You might be 30, 35, maybe 45, or even 65. Every morning you wake up, move through the same routine, talk to the same people, handle the same responsibilities. But deep down, you feel it. You're not living anymore. You're just surviving the calendar. You're tired, but can't explain the exhaustion. Your life is stable, yet your spirit feels numb. You share a home with someone you barely feel connected to. You move through your days on autopilot, like you've accidentally stepped outside your own life and forgotten how to return. Then one morning, you catch your reflection. Dull eyes, heavy shoulders, a stranger staring back. And quietly, from somewhere deep within, a voice asks, "Where did I go?" But this isn't a modern crisis. Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome, warned in Meditations not to drown your soul in the noise of other people's lives. Seneca, one of the wealthiest men in Rome, admitted he battled anxiety, anger, and the fear of wasted time. Epictetus, born a slave, taught that true freedom has nothing to do with possessions and everything to do with needing less. 3 men, 3 lives. One message echoed across centuries. When you feel lost, begin where the damage started. If your mind is scattered, begin with the mind. If your body is weak, begin with the body. If your heart is empty, begin with the heart. 3 brutal Stoic rules, 3 paths of rebirth, 3 chances to return to yourself. Let's begin. Rule 1. Fix the mind. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Yet today, we've silently surrendered that power. Our minds belong to the noise now. Headlines, scrolling, comparison, notifications, opinions. We feed ourselves mental junk all day and wonder why we feel lost. Your mind has become a battlefield, and you didn't even see the invasion. 1. Detox the noise. You can't build a new life with a polluted mind. You can't expect clarity when you're consuming chaos. So here's the challenge. For the first 30 minutes every morning, feed your mind wisdom, not junk. Read philosophy. Read stories of people who overcame impossible odds. Study skills that sharpen your thinking and steady your spirit. Don't call it reading, call it training. Your mind can be your sharpest weapon or your deepest prison. Every scroll is a vote. Every thought is a choice. 2. Redefine your direction. Most people chase happiness. The Stoics chased virtue, and happiness followed as a side effect. Don't ask, "What do I want to have?" Ask, "Who do I want to become?" Identity drives action. Action shapes destiny. Write this down. I am becoming, then finish the sentence with who you choose to be today, not someday. Transformation is not a future event, it's a current decision. 3. Break the invisible prison. I can't. I'm not good enough. It's too late. Those aren't facts. Those are cages. And the worst part? You built them yourself. The Stoics called this assent, agreeing with thoughts that weaken you. Rewrite the script. I don't have time becomes I choose what matters. I'm not smart enough becomes I'm learning the skills. It's too late becomes every moment is a beginning. Each rewritten thought is a hammer cracking the wall around your potential. 4. The morning mind ritual. Every morning, write 3 thoughts that strengthen you, 3 that weaken you. Catch the weak ones the moment they appear. Replace them with truth, not fantasy. At night, ask, did my mind serve me today or sabotage me? This isn't positive thinking, it's disciplined thinking. Because when you command your mind, you command your future. Say it like a vow. My mind is my kingdom. I rule it, no one else. Rule 2. Fix the body. Your body is the vessel that carries your purpose. You cannot walk a powerful path with a weak foundation. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "At daybreak, when you find it hard to get up, remember you were born to act." He rose not because he felt like it, but because action was his nature. 1. Eat with discipline. Your body is not a trash can. Every bite is a decision, strength or sabotage. Don't aim for dieting, aim for awareness. Ask before every meal, is this helping me become who I want to be? Food can fuel you or chain you. Choose consciously. 2. Honor your sleep. Seneca said the problem isn't the length of life, but how much of it we waste. Every late-night distraction steals from tomorrow's strength. No one builds greatness half awake. Sleep isn't laziness, it's restoration. Guard your rest like a warrior guards his blade. 3. Move or grow stagnant. Emotion lives in the body. When the body stops, emotion festers. You're anxious? Walk. You're angry? Run. You're lost? Lift, breathe, sweat. Epictetus reminded us, no great thing is created suddenly. So move daily, even 5 minutes. Not for the calories, for the message. I am still in command. 4. Choose discomfort on purpose. The Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort to build strength. Seneca slept on a hard floor to remind himself he could endure. Marcus trained in the chaos of war, not comfort. You can start small. A cold shower, a harder workout, a healthier choice, one more glass of water. Discomfort builds trust in yourself. Ease erodes it. Say it with devotion. My body is my temple. I rise to honor it.
Rule 3. Fix the heart. Have you ever felt empty, even while life looks fine? That's not weakness. That's your heart whispering that it's gone numb. You built walls to avoid pain, but those walls block joy too. Marcus Aurelius said, "Be the rock the waves crash upon." A strong heart isn't one that never breaks. It's one that stays open after breaking. 1. Rediscover your heart. Sit in silence. No phone, no noise. Just you. Ask, if I could not fail, how would I live? What am I pretending not to care about? Who am I when no one is watching? The answers that shake you are the ones you need most. 2. Drop the weight you carry. Your heart holds too many old stories. Guilt, anger, regret, fear. They're not you, just memories pretending to be identity. Epictetus taught, it's not what happens that hurts, it's how you carry it. Write one thing to forgive daily. Forgive someone. Forgive yourself. Not for them, for your freedom. Forgiveness is letting go of chains you were never meant to drag. 3. Live with purpose. A heart without purpose drifts. The Stoics believed in sympatheia, the idea that we are all connected. Marcus wrote, "What harms the hive harms the bee." You find purpose through giving, not receiving, through serving, not hiding. Ask yourself, when do I feel most alive? Creating, helping, teaching, loving? That's your compass. Start with one sincere act of kindness. Purpose begins with motion. Say it with conviction. My heart beats to love, to serve, and to connect. The 3 rules united. These rules are not separate. They're a cycle. A trained mind strengthens the body. A strong body empowers the heart. A healed heart fuels the mind. Mind, body, heart. A circle of rebirth. Marcus battled anxiety. Seneca doubted himself. Epictetus lost everything, yet gained inner peace. They were not perfect. They were persistent. And so can you. A man named James once hit bottom, burned out, disconnected, drowning in doubt. One morning, he decided to rebuild himself the Stoic way. He fixed his mind with 30 minutes of reading instead of scrolling. He trained his body, cold showers, runs, sleep discipline. He opened his heart, forgiving, helping, reconnecting. Months later, he didn't just change, he transformed. He became grounded, calm, unshakable. That is the power of the 3 Stoic rules, when practiced, not preached. Fix your mind and your life follows. Train your body and your soul strengthens. Heal your heart and you never lose your direction again. You were not born to drift through life. You were born to awaken. The world doesn't need another copy. It needs you, the real, raw, unbreakable you. There is no old life to return to, only a new one waiting for you to claim it. Write this into your being. I am the author of my transformation. I am the warrior of my mind, the guardian of my body, and the protector of my heart. Now rise, breathe, feel the fire returning, and take your first step not tomorrow, now. Your journey doesn't begin when life gets easier. It begins when you choose to grow stronger. If this speaks to you, don't just watch it, live it. Share it with someone who's ready to wake up. Leave a mark, not just a view. Subscribe so we walk this path together every week. In the comments, write one sentence, a promise to yourself. I begin my transformation today. Because you can.